Curad Germ Shield Antimicrobial Silver Wound Gel. For minor cuts, scrapes and burns, 0.5 ounces tube, 1 count. Product details. Once an infection occurs, it can slow or stop healing, cause scarring, and even develop into more serious conditions like sepsis, a serious blood infection. Cleaning wounds thoroughly and keeping them clean and germ-free is vital in helping heal quickly, completely, without complications. Curad Germ Shield Gel contains an ionized silver antimicrobial. That means, in addition to bacteria, it also kills other pathogens like fungi and yeast. Curad Germ Shield Gel also shows no signs of susceptibility to bacterial resistance and keeps working up to 3 days. That helps provide more germ protection with fewer applications. For minor cuts, scrapes and burns. Unlike triple antibiotic ointment, Curad Germ Shield Gel contains microscopic silver antimicrobial to effectively kill bacteria like MRSA, E.Coli and Staph, plus yeast and fungus. Non-stinging formula helps support an optimal healing environment. Instructions. Clean wound with water and blot dry. Apply a generous amount of gel to the affected area, making sure to cover beyond wound edges. Cover with a bandage. Repeat every 1 to 3 days, or when wound is no longer moist. To prevent from freezing, store at room temperature. Store out of direct light.